Good morning, class 7th. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter 5, part 2. In previous part, you look the simple present tense and the present continuous tense. Now this part, you see the simple past and future continuous and simple future tense and past continuous. First one is simple past. It is the structure of simple past: subject, verb to plus object, and the negative is subject did not plus V1. Interrogative did subject V1 plus object. Example: he went to Patna. He did not go to Patna. Did he go to Patna? Now use of simple past. Where we use the simple past tense. First one is a complete action in past. Any action is complete in the past. He pressed the bell and waited. I wake up the early today. First one, the first word is the he pressed the bell. It is a complete word, so the simple past is the complete the word. Second is to form a time clause for a clause in the past perfect tense. When he came, I had left. First one, when he came, I had. It is a clause, so this is the form of the clause into past perfect tense. Third one is to form a time clause or a clause in the past continuous. When she left, I was sleeping. It is the V2 plus clause and it is the past continuous. So when the time clause in past, clause in the past continuous. So this is the use of simple past tense. Now the past progressive, it means continuous tense. Its structure is subject was there, V4 object. According to subject, you use the was and where. Now the simple future tense. Simple future tense, subject shall will, V1 object. According to subject, use the shall and will. It is know you very well. Now negative structure, subject shall, will, not, V1 plus object. Interrogative structure is shall, will, subject. According to subject, put the shall and will into question. V1 object plus question mark. Future progressive continuous tense, subject shall, will, V4 object. Subject shall, will, not, V4 object. Shall, will, subject, V4 object and a question mark. It is the structure of past progressive, simple future and a future progressive continuous tense. Do the some sentence of this structure and do the all objective of this chapter. Thank you.